Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can very easily fix the situation if your iPhone screen does not flip while watching videos. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to put likes and write a comment after watching the video. So let me show you how it works. Let's say you go to YouTube, you're watching a video. And you want to flip it to make the video full screen. By default, this feature is usually always active on your iPhone. But if you don't have it active, then fixing it is very easy. The only thing you need to do is to swipe your screen from the right side down. To get to the shortcuts menu, here you need to make sure that this shortcut here that blocks the screen flip, it's not active. If it is active, as I have it now, then when you go to YouTube and you try to flip the video, as you can see, it doesn't flip. And if you turn that feature off, then you can watch the video full screen by flipping your phone. This is the very simple way you can fix the situation if your iPhone screen is not flipping. Friends, I hope this video helped you, was useful. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write comments. See you again, friends.